Hello friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Janice. Today's episode is designed for beginners at A1 and A2 level. We'll practice basic English sentences, easy dialogues, and common words that you can use in daily life. Don't worry if you make mistakes, just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Now, I want to ask you something. Do you sometimes feel afraid to speak English? Do you know some words but can't make full sentences? Or maybe you want to get a good IELTS or TOEFL score but don't know where to start? Don't worry, every expert was once a beginner. You can do this. And in this podcast, I will make it simple, clear, and fun, just like learning for dummies. Remember, if you give me 10 minutes every day, I will help you speak English with confidence. Every day, we will learn one small topic. I will give you examples, practice sentences, and sometimes even small quizzes. You will repeat after me, speak with me, and practice daily. Step by step, you will see your English improve in speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And if you're preparing for IELTS or TOEFL, don't worry, we'll practice real exam-style questions too. Alright, let's do a small practice together. Repeat after me, nice and slow. I can learn English. I will practice every day. I am not afraid to speak English. Good job. See, you've already started. Party popper. Before we finish today's session, here's my advice. Don't think of English as a subject in school. Think of it as a friend you talk to every day. For your homework today, write one sentence in English about yourself. For example, my name is Anna. I am a student. That's it. Simple and powerful. Tomorrow, in day 2, we will start with the English alphabet and sounds, the foundation of speaking clearly. Thank you for joining me today on the podcast. Remember, practice every day, don't give up, and soon you will speak English fluently. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.